Okay now. This compressor came in, I don't know why that screws out over there. And I put a cord on it and all and tried it, and it just hummed. So I checked it. I tried different capacitors. Didn't help it. Still hummed. So I took the end off to check the centrifugal switch, and here's what I found. There's this little nub supposed to be on here. You see this one is there. This one's not. And you can see where it's been rubbing. You see that little part there? It's been rubbing on the switch part here. So it's not been closing the circuit because of that little piece is not on there. It's not reaching to make the contact on this side. The other side does because of this. So I said, where the hell is that at? So I started looking in here, and there it is. You can see it in there. Point it out to you. Right there. So it's broke off. Fell off. So that's why the motor is just humming and not running, because the centrifugal switch ain't closing. Because of this. Ain't that something? They can't even make decent motors, switches. I don't know if I got one of these. I'll have to look. Maybe I can. If I got one, I can fix it. Know what I mean? Okay, that's it for now. Okay, so I got to unsolder this red wire out of the switch, right, and solder it back in up here on the new switch. And then hook these on. Gotta flip it back over. This will be on the top like that. Because that's the only place it'll reach. It has to go that way. I didn't really pay attention to it when I took it apart. But I believe it's out there. Once I get this straightened out. Alright. Here it is now. I'll put it back together. It's working pretty good. I'm going to mount this on a dolly for a temporary compressor.